Hello everyone. This video will teach you how to install our thermostat.
Release front cover by inserting a head screwdriver into bottom crack.
Use a screwdriver to drive out the stainless steel circlip and remove the backing plate. Mount backing plate into wall cassette, put screws.
Check the wiring position as the picture on the left show. Insert the wires and then fix these wires with screws. Suggested wire stripping length is 7 to 9 mm.
Remount the thermostat onto the backing plate. Press down the stainless steel circlip with a screwdriver. Remount the front cover via snap fit connection.